So today we are going to discuss the UGC NET paper 1, and this paper 1 is for 2022. Okay, this is a past year solution, so I have today came up with the paper 1. So let's start with the paper 1. I hope आप लोगों की तैयारी बहुत अच्छी चल रही होगी. So first here the following table shows the percentage distribution of students studying in 6 classes A to F of a school. It is given and it shows the ratio of boys to girls among them. Number of students studying in all 6 classes together is 600. So we can see the class wise distribution of student. It is in terms of percentage, the percentage of student and the ratio, right? So now see the first question. If P and Q are the difference between the number of boys and girls in class A and class C respectively, then what will be the percentage? Obviously we know number of students in class A is 20 by 100 into 600, that counts to 120. Okay, now number of boys is what? 3 by 5 of 120, that counts to 70, and number of girls is 2 by 5 of 120, that is 48, right? And number of students similarly in class C is 16 by 100 of 600, that is 96, and number of boys again 5 by 8 of 96, that is 60, and number of girls is 3 by 8 of 96, that is 36. So total it comes to 72 minus 48, that is 24. Number of boys and girls for P, and for Q it's 60 minus 36, that counts to 24. So 24 out of 24 of 100, that counts to 100%. So the answer is 100. Now in the given pair of classes, which two classes have an equal number of boys in them? How we will find out? Again similar way, we have to find out the B, the D, the E and F, and you have to find out the answer. And the answer, do tell me after completing surely that what is your answer coming. I told you the hint. Number of boys in class B is what percentage more than the number of girls in class F? Okay, so number of students in class B, how you will find out? From the chart it is 12 of 100 of 600, that counts to 72. Okay, and number of boys it is 3 by 4 of 72, that counts to 54. Now number of students in class F, how we will find out? 16 of 100 of 600, that is 96, right? And half of 96 is 48. So 54 minus 48, that is 6. So we have to find out 6 of 48 of 100. So that counts to 12.5%. So number of boys in class B is 12.5% more than the number of girls in class F. The average of the number of girls studying in all 6 classes. So how you will find it? Obviously will total, and the total will come to 246 and average 6. So it is 41. Now the difference between number of boys and the number of girls in all the 6 classes A to F together will be, total number of boys will find out 72. Put the question paper in front of you. 54, 60, 48, 72, 48. Total is 354. So total number of girls in all classes 246. Subtract it from 354, it will count to 108. So answer will be 108. The average weight of 25 student of section A of class is 60 kg, whereas the average weight of 35 student of section B of the same class is 62.5 kg. So to find out the average weight of all the 60 students of the class, I will find out. Now total weight of students of section A is 25 of 60, that is 1500. Okay, now total weight of students of section B, 35 of 62.5, that is 2187.5. Okay, so now total it will count to 3687.5 by 60, that is 61.46. Given below there are two statements you can see. One is as regards communication, a major function to build, manipulate and use symbol. One of the function of communication is to entertain the receiver. So the answer is B. Both A and B are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. World Wide Web was invented by whom? Yes, it was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. The World Wide Web or web is an ocean of information which is stored in the form of trillions of interlinked web page and web resources. The resources on the web can be shared or accessed through the internet. Earlier, to access files residing in different computer, one had to log in individually to each computer through the internet. Besides, files in different computer were sometimes in different formats, and it was difficult to understand each other. Files and documents. So, Sir Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, invented the revolutionary World Wide Web in 1990. Which of the following are the product of grounded theory? Experimental framework, concepts, hypothesis, attributes of a category, theoretical dilation. So we have to find the correct answer. There are option mix and match. The answer would be B. Why? Because grounded theory is a systematic methodology which has largely applied to qualitative research conducted by social scientists, and the methodology involves the construction of hypotheses and theories through the collecting and analysis of data. And grounded theory involves the application of inductive reasoning. The methodology contrasts with the hypothetico-deductive model used in the traditional scientific research. So, grounded theory in the general research methodology, a way of thinking about and conceptualizing data. Both qualitative and quantitative research are concerned with what? Data reduction, artificial settings, uniformity of data, or social fantasy. Okay, and it's A. Okay. Similarity between quantitative and qualitative research. It is also worth bearing in mind the ways in which quantitative and qualitative research are similar. Hardy and Bryman, remember the name, Hardy and Bryman have pointed out that although there are clearly differences between quantitative and qualitative research, it should also be recognized that there are similarities too. Okay. So this is the end of the video. This was a short video for 1 to 10. We have completed this time. Next time we'll coming up with more questions from this paper. Okay. Best of luck, and do subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Thank you for watching the video.